Hi there! Welcome to my channel, and if this is the first video that you're watching, I hope mapanood nyo muna yung lesson nito. There's a lesson paired with this. I discussed the ladder method ng GCF and LCM. If you haven't seen that video yet, don't forget to click right here dito sa taas dun sa I button para ma-access niyo yung video na yon. Kasi mas maganda if alam nyo na muna yung lesson bago kayo mag-start sa quiz. Pero if napanood nyo na yon, then we're going to dive right into this. And if you don't want to miss any of my content, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. I try to do this to help people who are taking aptitude tests. So mula sa civil service, exams, college entrance exam, high school entrance exam, or other tests na maaring kailangan nyo ng math, language, or logic lessons, that would be yung goal ko, matulungan ko kayo to pass all of those exams. Okay, so this is no different. We're talking about GCF, greatest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple of numbers. So pwedeng number pairs or group of numbers. And I'm going to give you 5 questions for this. And I'm also going to give you 5 minutes to answer all of the 5 questions. If at any point you feel it's too difficult or kung kailangan nyo mag-pause, don't forget, that's the reason why I put it up on YouTube. You can also hit pause there. Okay, and then at the end, I'm going to discuss kung ano yung mga tamang sagot. Alright, are you ready? Let's do this. Alright, let's see how you did. Okay, let's start with the first one. Sabi dito, what is the GCF and LCM of the number pair na 48 and 108? So again, same lang yung gagawin natin as before. We're going to use another method. So unang tanong, ano muna ang factor na pwede sa kanilang pareho? And then uubusin natin yan. GCF will be on the left side. And then yung LCM would be the L shape. So yung left side, pati yung nasa baba. Okay, yung pinaka parang prime na factors na nila. Yun na yung i-multiply natin. Okay? So let's start with the first one. 48 and 108. Again, pareho naman silang even. So definitely I can use 2. So I can divide both by 2. It's going to give me 24 and 108 would be 54. So pwede uli sa 2 kasi pareho pa rin silang even. This will be 12. This will be 27. Now, in this case, hindi na parehong even. So hindi na sila pwede sa 2. Pero sa 3 pwede kasi ang 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 7 is 9. Divisible siya sa 3. If na-confuse kayo dun sa explanation ko na to, go and watch my video muna on GCF on finding factors. I have a series on that. How do you know if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Okay, you can watch that first. Now, in this case, again, alam ko, divisible sila pareho sa 3. So, I will do that. So, you have 4 here. 27 divided by 3 would be 9. And pagdating ko dito, wala na silang common factor. Kasi ang factors na ng 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Ang 9, hindi naman siya divisible sa 2 or sa 4. So, 1 na lang. Ibig sabihin, yun na yun. Dulo na yan. So, when we're talking about the GCF, ang answer mo would be this side, 2 times 2 times 3. So, we have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 3, that would be 12. And then, ang LCM natin is going to be ito times ito. So, we have 12 right here, right? 12 times 4 is 48. Times 9. Okay? So, again, you can do it like that or yung ginagawa ko is 480 na lang. That is times 10, 480. And then, I just subtract another 48. Okay? So, the answer here would be 432. Okay? So, the LCM is 432. I hope you got these two right. Kung hindi, ingat-ingat lang sa susunod. Make sure na natapos nyo talaga yung factoring. Okay? Number 2, what is the GCF and LCM of 110 and 70? So again, same technique lang, ladder method ang gagamitin natin. Pareho silang divisible sa 2. So i-divide ko muna sila sa 2. Pareho sila kasing even. You have 55 and 70 divided by 2 is 35. Ngayon, both of them are now divisible by 5 kasi parehong ending with 5 sila. So 5. This will be 11. This will be 7. Now 7 and 11, wala silang common factor. So it will end here. So, ang GCF natin, again, left side would be 2 times 5. That would be 10. LCM, dapat lahat sila. So, 2 times 5 is 10 times 11. That is 110 times 70. So, 11 times 70. 110 times 7. So, we have 770. Okay? So, the LCM is 770. Minultiply lang natin lahat pa L. Again, remember, LCM pa L. So, L shape din yung i-multiply natin. Okay? So, I hope you got this right. GCF 10, LCM 770. Number 3, we have 27 and 108. So, ito, hindi sila pwede sa 2, pareho. Pero pwede sila sa 3. So, 37 divided by 3 is 9. Ito, magiging 30 and then 6. Okay? Kasi 10 divided by 3 is 9. 10 divided by 3 is 3 pala. Ang multiply nun ay 9. So, ibababa lang natin yung 18. Ano lang, hindi ko na kasi ginagamit hindi ko na sinusulat sa gilid uli when I do this kasi you can solve it mentally. Now, in this case, 9 tsaka 36, pwede pa uli sila sa 3. Okay? Now, bakit ko alam na pwede sila sa 3? Kasi yung 9 is divisible by 3 and 3 plus 6 is 9 divisible by 3 pa rin. Again, bumabalik lang ako lagi dun sa aking technique on finding factors really fast. So, ang sum ng numbers or ng digits nila, if it's divisible by 3, it's divisible by 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay? So, ito, again, pwede pa uli sa 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 would be 4. Okay? And ang GCF, again, left side lang. So, 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. And then, ang LCM natin would be 27 times 1 times 4. So, 27 times 4. Again, you can multiply it like that. Or what I do naman here, I put just 20 times 4, which is 80. And then 7 times 4, which is 28. So, that would give me 108. Okay? So, ang GCF niya is 27, ang LCM niya is 108. Okay? Alright, so number 4, what is the GCF and LCM of 12, 42, and 24? Now, in this case, medyo may kaunting difference na siya than the classic method. Kasi kanina, di ba, ginagawa natin pag GCF dapat, lahat sila ay dapat mo silang maging factor. Okay, now in this case, kapag tatlo na siya, yung LCM natin will take it a step further. Kailangan, ang goal na natin is that yung bottom number dapat prime na siya. Okay, let me show you how to do it, okay? So, 12, 42, and 24, we're looking for the GCF first. Pareho silang even lahat, so I divide them all by 2. We have 6, 21, and 12. Pwede sila lahat sa 3, so I divide them by 3. This would be 2, 7, and then 4. Now, since wala na akong pwedeng i-divide na pare-pareho sa kanilang tatlo, dapat lahat kasi sila tatlo required for the GCF. So, ang GCF ko will be 6. That is 2 times 3. Okay? Kaya lang ang LCM, hindi ko pwedeng gawin dito right away kasi yung 2 at saka 4, meron pa rin silang common factor or hindi pa sila factored na completely, hindi pa sila parehong prime. So, pwede ko silang i-divide ngayon sa 2. Ang mangyayari na lang would be 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yung 7, dahil hindi ko siya pwedeng i-divide sa 2, ibababa ko lang siya. 7 pa rin siya. And then yung 4, i-divide ko sa 2, that would be 2. Kaya ang magiging LCM nito would actually be 2 times 3 times 2. So we have 6 times 2 is 12. And then times 7, which is 84. And then times 2 uli siya, that is 168. Okay, so the LCM is 168. Again, you end sa GCF, kunin mo yung GCF, end it with the part na lahat sila dapat tama ang factor. Ang LCM, kailangan isagad mo siya hanggang maging prime lahat ng numbers. Ano yung sasabing prime? Kasi ang 1, wala namang ibang pwede i-divide dyan kundi 1. Ang 7, 7 na lang itself at saka 1. Ang 2, 2 na lang at saka sarili niya. Kapag hindi pa buo yung factoring na yon, pwede ka pang magbaba hanggang dumating yung LCM. Okay? Now, let's try with another 3 number na group. So, 90, 45, and 120. Ito yung number 5, right? So, again, GCF muna tayo. Yung goal natin muna. Pare-pareho silang divisible sa 5. So, 5, you have 1, 8, 18. You have 45 divided by 5, which is 9. And then, 120 divided by 5, that is 24. Ito, pare-pareho silang pwede sa 3. So, you have 18 divided by 3, that is 6. 3, and then this will be 8. Kasi 8, 16, 24. Okay? Now, in this case, again, wala na akong pwedeng i-factor na pare-pareho silang tama. Okay? So, ang GCF natin ends here. Ang GCF mo will be 15. Kaya lang, ang 6 at saka 8, meron pa silang share na common na factor which is 2. So, pwede ko pang gawin idiretso para makuha natin yung LCM. Ibababa ko muna siya. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Ito hindi na siya pwede, so bababa ko na lang, kokopyahin ko lang siya. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay? Now, pagdating ko dito sa part na to, yung 3 at saka 3, pareho na silang 3. Pwede ko pa uli silang i-divide ngayon sa 3. This will be 1. 1, and then yung 4, wala na siyang magagawa. 4 na lang. Okay? And then, ito nga yung L na yan ang gagawin kong LCM. So, you have 5 times 3, which is 15. Times 2, that is 30. Times 9, that is 90. And then 90 times 4, which is 9, 18, 27, 36, 3, 6, and then 0. The answer is 360. Yan ang LCM natin. Okay, so, ang GCF mo is 15, LCM mo is 360. But again, pagdating sa actual exam, since you have options, you can use my technique that I taught in my other video pagdating sa LCM or LCD. I-check nyo na lang, i-verify nyo yung pinakamalaki kung divisible siya sa kanilang tatlo. Okay? And at one glance, alam mo right away, yung 360 is pasok. Okay? So, I hope you got that right. And if not, pwede nyo namang balikan. That's the beauty of it. And again, if you haven't seen my other videos yet, you can click doon sa aking playlists dito sa taas or doon sa description box below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and share this with your friends. Lalo na kung mag-exam din sila para mas marami tayong matulungan. And if you want to reach out to me directly, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for the reviewers that I made, also for the schedule ng mga review events na upcoming. I would love to hear back from you. So, thank you guys for watching. Never stop learning. Kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.